Hey everybody, look what I made. I made these cute little, I decorated, I didn't make. I decorated these cute little trays that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I picked them up on Sunday's haul, and I thought they were really super cute for summertime, for my granddaughters. So I wanted to keep them separate, one for one and one for the other. So I decorated them using Cricut Design Space. So here I am in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to show you how I actually got the template for the top of that tray. I wanted to make sure that my wording and my sizing was going to work. So right here, this is the top of the tray that needs to be decorated. So I measured it out, and I knew within that area I have room to decorate. So after I figured out their names, or picked out their names, I went and picked out some flowers. And I picked out 3 different flowers, but then really just decided to go with one, which is like the daisy looking one. I really think this came out super, super cute. So here I am just making copies of the flowers so that I can then cut them out in vinyl. And once I cut them out on vinyl, I'm going to show you how I put them on the actual trays. So enjoy this video. So here we are. I put them at the kitchen counter so that when they come in from school and they sit down, they get their new plates. How cute! Isn't that awesome? Look at that. All right. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's hard to get out.
Tierney, what does that say?
Are you crazy? Why do I need a knife?
It's okay. You don't have to use it. Oh, there's your puppy dog. She wants to say hi. What does this say?
Mom's blade.
Whose name is that?
Mine.
And what does it say?
Tierney.
Right. Tell me the letters.
T-A.
I.
E. R.
Shh, Quinn.
N.
A.
N. Y.
Yay! Quinn, what do you think of yours? Tell me the letters.
Quinn.
Tell me the letters.
Q-U-I-N-N.
And what does it spell?
Quinn.
Who loves you?
Good.
Yay! Love yous! Alright, so we're done with the computer aspect of it. And now I need to grab some transfer paper. I'm going to get a new one. I just had a sneezing fit. Yeah, I just had a sneezing fit. Alright, so all this is contact paper. And this is vinyl that I cut on the Cricut. And I'm going to show you what I have here. I'm going to work on one girl at a time. Alright, ready? I had to take my nails off because the fake nails, they killed my fingernails. I know, it happens all the time. I know they're not good for you, but working with you all, I don't know, I just like my fingers to look nice. Is that weird? No, it's not weird. But, there you go. And when I do the girls' names, I like to do it in a plain font so that, oh, I lost the I. Sugar. Hold on. Yeah, I lost the I. Where did the dot to the I go? Alright, I'll show you what I do. I'll leave that right there to the side. So when I do the girl's name on anything, I like to do it in a regular font so that they get familiar, because they're young, they're little, with how their name actually looks. And as they get older, I will be teaching them cursive. Yes, I will. Even though that's not taught anymore, they will be learning it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Alright, so I'm just going to cut. It might not be perfect, but I'm going to cut a little dot for the eye. Let me get my tweezers. Not bad. That's cute. Alright, so then I take my transfer paper. And if you don't have a Cricut, you might be bored, but you might like the way I upcycle this. This isn't a very large piece, so I'm just going to do it on a diagonal so that I get all of the vinyl. Alright. I'm not being very organized today. I am. I'm feeling hugely overwhelmed. Hugely. Alright, so I'm not liking how far away that A is. Alright, so let me I'm going to fix that. Because I didn't fix it, obviously, while I was in Cricut. Can you tell I'm out of sorts today? I am so out of sorts. I don't know if it's the heaviness of the weather. I'm coming down with something. Alright. The A was too far away, and I didn't like the way that looked, so I didn't put it down. Because I would have adjusted that on the program, but I didn't notice it. I really didn't. Look how cute so far, right? Alright, so we're going to put Tierney's right there, because we did cut Quinn out. Okay, and there's Quinn's name. And what I do is I trim out as much as the vinyl that I did not use so I could save it for scraps. Quinn has an I in her name also, so I'm going to be very careful when I pull this time. Yay! We didn't lose it. How's everybody doing today? Thank you everybody for leaving me such awesome comments, congratulating us on our new camper. You know what? When I wake up in the morning and I come down to here, I grab my coffee and then I hopefully get a few minutes to get onto YouTube. I don't even do Facebook much anymore. Get onto YouTube and I look at all your comments and I try to comment back. My goal is if you leave me a comment, I comment to you. The other thing is this. If you subscribe to my channel and you have a channel, I'm going to subscribe back no matter what. So just know that I'm going to pay it forward. That's my goal. And if you don't have a channel now and in the future you do, make sure you tell me and I'll come subscribe to it. Look how cute. I'm seeing little Texas hair on my stuff. Not liking that. Yay. Loving it. Hating that sound. Ta-da! Now what I did was this. Wait till you see. I cut out some really cute flowers. Yep, I did. I cut out some flowers. I know I cut white ones out too. Okay, I gotta look for them. So I'm gonna just trim away the vinyl so that I save it. And I did pink, purple, and white. And it was over by the Cricut. Okay, so you'll see it in a second. Willow's here. She's actually napping. Her and Tex were playing like crazy. And I'll tell you all this. Tex is going to have his own YouTube channel. It's going to be called Texas the Doberman. So I think his first video is going to go up yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. His first video went up yesterday. So go check him out. Text the Doberman. Maybe it's Tex. Text the Doberman or Texas the Doberman? I don't remember what I named the channel. It's because I haven't posted the video yet. I'm going to post the video today, which is yours tomorrow. Please don't try to figure that one out. I'm being a goof. Look how cute these little flowers came out. And I know you can't see it yet, but there's a little hole in the center. Yay! Look at this! Sorry for the dogs barking. Whoa. Look. How cute is this? Love it. Alright guys, please give me a shout out, give me a thumbs up, leave me a note, leave me a comment. Know how much I love you all. Thank you to my subscribers, my new ones, my oldies, everybody that watches me. Thanks for stopping by. It means so much to me. I hope you like this. Have a blessed, blessed day. See, I went from being overwhelmed to creating something to becoming extremely happy. All right, bye for now, guys. Mwah.